here today to show you guys my tool bag and some of my favorite supplies for making flowers. And this is my tool bag here. You guys could most likely find it at like Home Depot and Lowe's. I'll definitely be linking as much as I can below the video to show you guys where you can find all these supplies. But this bag here is really cute. It's white and it's like made out of a canvas material. And I'll just start from here. These are some of my favorite buttons, and this little guy says I make things, because that's literally what I do, right? I make things. And then I found this set at Michael's here, but it's basically my wire cutters, my pliers here, and this is shaping tool, and I think it's actually used for beading, but I use it to shape my paper. And it does have the little pointy tip so I could poke through the paper. But if you don't have this at home, you can still use just like a kebab stick, because that's what I use sometimes too. And then these scissors here, they are on the pricey side compared to some of the scissors, but I feel like they last a really long time. They cut through like stacks of cardstock. These little shaping tools, they come in a little pack. It's meant for clay, I think, but I use it to ball my flowers up. So these are scissors for sewing, but I use it because it's super thin and it cuts through the little corners, every little detail. So if I'm working on a very small project, I will be cutting with these scissors. This is not for my face. I used it all and then put regular water in it. The reason being is because I really like the spray on this. I swear I bought so many like traveling spray bottles or whatever, and they're not that good. But this is so that I could spray like extra stiff paper. Floral tape. I only use the Doris brand. You could find it on their website, but I like it because it doesn't unravel. Some of the other brands, it'll just like unravel on its own, and then it'll just like be like all over my tool bag. So like this is the brand that I like. And then on this side I have just a bunch of pens, markers. This little guy is my favorite. You could put water in here and then just get like a little paint palette and then paint, and it's like a traveling watercolor paintbrush. And then my wire here, I like this one a lot because it has this like natural, you can just cut where you want to. And I like the texture of it even after I floral tape it. And then I have this green wire, floral wire, 22 gauge. So I use this for leaves a lot. The Free People bag when you go shopping. But basically I like to use it. I put it on the handle there if I'm like in the living room taking care of my toddler while making flowers. I'll throw my trash in here. This glue gun, it is discontinued, unfortunately, but it's my favorite glue gun. One, because it's cute, it's white, Martha Stewart brand. The rumor has it that they're going to bring it back, but I haven't seen it yet, so we don't know if it's true or not. But it has a high and a low temp, and the low temperature is like the perfect amount of temperature. I swear I went through so many different glue guns out there. I want to say this is like the best one. Yeah, it's sad, but there you go. Clear box where I throw in some of my prep work. And then I have some markers in here. I bought this to do calligraphy, but I never did it. My tin box full of glue sticks here. I get this like pain on my wrist, especially on my left hand. So I do wear it when I make things on a longer time frame. This little guy is what I use for the lavenders, but this one is really nice because it punches really well. These are some of my favorite like tools. I used to go to like a coffee shop and I would take this, and plenty of pockets so you can just put everything in there, and it's cute. If you guys have any questions about any specific tools, supplies, materials, please feel free to email me. Thank you.